Applied Mathematics Chapter 16 Utility Bill. In this video we are going to study about the water bill. Interpretation of water bill. It is depend upon three main steps. First is connection fee or fixed access charges. It is based on the size of the plot or the holding or the size of connection of fuel or the combination of plot size or fuel size. It is being charged one time only. Water tax, it is different for residential and non-residential property. Water charge. Water charge has two basic components. First is volume of water consumed and the second is set of charges such as meter rent, water cess, license fee or maintenance charges, etc. Water consumption charges are calculated on the basis of increasing block tariff, IBT. Increasing block tariff. It differs from state to state. So increasing block tariff in Delhi is given as monthly consumption in kiloliter up to 20, 20 to 30 or greater than 30. Service charges in rupees as follows. Volumetric charges per kiloliter in rupees is given as. So plus service charges, server maintenance charges 60% of volumetric charges. Whatever the volumetric charges arises, its 60% is added to the server maintenance also. Calculation of water bill. Different states have different water tariff plan. Calculate all charges according to the tariff plan of the state and add all the charges. Charges in water bill of different states are as follows. Uttarakhand, charges are water charge, sewerage charges. For Goa, water charge, meter rent and sewerage charge. Rajasthan, water charge, meter charge, development surcharge, renewal fee and sewerage charge. Uttar Pradesh, water charge, sewerage charge. In Delhi, water charge, service charge and sewerage charge. According to the state, these charges has to be calculated and then add all those, then we can say the water bill is being calculated. That amount, the total amount which comes arises, that is called the water bill for the particular state or the water bill for the particular person according to the particular month it's given to. Because the bill, these bills, utility bills are arises every month. So this bill is given for the particular month. Let us proceed with the problems based on water bill. Mr. Aditya live in Kerala. He consumed 37 kiloliter of water in 1 month and calculate the water bill for that month. Water tariffic plan is given to us. Unit of consumption in kiloliter, price per unit in rupees. Minimum charge is 56 rupees per month. Sewerage charges flat rupees 14 for those whose consumption is up to 8 kiloliter and 25% of the water charge whose consumption is more than 8 kiloliter. First of all, we'll calculate the water charges. Water charges 0 up to 8 means for 0 to 8 it is 7 into 8, cost is 7 rupees and 8 kiloliter is 56 rupees. Then from 8 to 25 kiloliter, cost is 11 rupees. 11 into 8 to 25, it is total 17. That comes out to be 187 rupees. Then 25 to 50, as he consumed only 37 kiloliter, so we will write 25 to 37. 25 to 37, this again comes out to be 12 liter. Its cost is 25. So 25 into 12 is equal to 300 rupees. On adding 13 1, 14 1, 5, 43 rupees. Then second, minimum charge is given to us 56. So minimum charge is rupees 56 will be add on. Third step is sewerage charges flat 14 for those whose consumption is 8 kiloliter. But Mr. Aditya consumed 37 kiloliter. Therefore, his sewerage charges is 25% of the water charges. That means 25% of 543. So we will write it here as sewerage charges will be 25% of 543. That comes out to be 25 upon 100 into 543. 135 rupees 75 paisa. Now water bill will, fourth point is water bill. Water bill means sum of all charges. That means water charges plus minimum charges plus sewerage charges. So we add all this, 543 plus 56 plus 135 rupees 75 paisa. Add all this, you will get 734 rupees 75 paisa as a water bill. That means Mr. Aditya has to pay 734 rupees 75 paisa as a water bill for that particular month. Mrs. Sharma lives in Rajasthan. She consumed 49 kiloliter of water in the month of November. Calculate her water bill for that month. Water tariff plan is given to us. Unit of consumption in kiloliter, price per unit in rupees. Minimum charges is 242 rupees per month. Sewerage charges is 20% of water charge and fixed charges is 30 rupees 25 paisa per month. First of all, we calculate water charges. Water charges up to 8, that means 0 to 8 kiloliter is 1 rupee 89 1 rupee 89 paisa into 8 kiloliter is 15 rupees 12 paisa. Then from 8 to 15 kiloliter, the cost is 2 rupees 42 paisa into 7 kiloliter is 16 rupees 94 paisa. 15 to 40, cost is 4 rupees 84 paisa and this is 25 kiloliter. So we have into 25 comes out to be 121 rupees. Then greater than 40, as Mrs. Sharma consumed 49 kiloliter, so we will write 41 to 49 only. That cost is 6 rupees 5 paisa into 9 kiloliter, comes out to be 45 54 rupees 45 paisa. Add all this, 11 15 1 12 13 17 1 3 5 5 21 207 rupees 51 paisa. Second is minimum charges, that is calculated as it is, that means 242 rupees. Third step is sewerage charges. This is 20% of water charge. Water charge is 207 rupees 51 paisa. We calculate 20% of it. So 20% of 207 rupees 51 paisa. That comes out to be 20 upon 100 into 207 rupees 51 paisa. This means 441 rupee 502 41 rupees 502 paisa. Then fourth is fixed charges. Fixed charges is 30 rupees 25 paisa per month. Now water bill comes out to be, water will be sum of all these charges: water charges, minimum charges, sewerage charges, as well as fixed charges. Add all this to calculate water bill. That means 207 rupees 51 paisa, 242 rupees, 41 rupees 502 paisa, plus 30 rupees 25 paisa. Add all this, you will get 521 rupees 26 paisa. So Mrs. Sharma has to pay 521 rupees 26 paisa as her water bill for the month of November. Hope this thing is very much clear to you, how to calculate the water bill and how to calculate these charges. First of all, you have to calculate all the charges and then add on all the charges to calculate the water bill. So keep like and subscribe my video.